Alright, hello and welcome to the very first video from WhyTrade. On behalf of the team, we just wanted to provide a video recapping a trade that we took. Buys on US30. At the minimum lot size that you could have entered this trade, you would have made £350 or dollars, depending on the currency that you're trading in. And that's at the minimum lot size that you can place. Now I've already set up the bar replay so we can go back and analyze this trade in detail. We took buys at 25,644 as prices come down to touch this support and resistance line. We can see that it's been supported and resisted in the history of the price action. Now as I press play, let's watch what happens. Instant profit, no drawdown, stop loss move to break even for short-term buyers. At this point, short-term buyers were told to close in profit at those highs. Long-term traders were told to hold through the drawdown until that take profit was hit. And as we can see right now, just in that last hourly candle, we've wicked up to that 26,000, that green zone, and that take profit was hit. 350 pips was secured. Short-term buyers were still told to close in profit. At the minimum lot size that you could trade, $350 or pounds, depending on the currency that you're trading in, is what you would have made from this trade. Excellent trade. Zero drawdown to begin with for short-term buyers, but for those long-term buyers that did hold through the drawdown, that take profit was hit. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick trade recap on that US30 trade. 350 pips within a matter of hours. From myself and on behalf of the team from WhyTrade, we'll see you soon for more market updates.